So we're gonna just do something. Maybe we'll do that, the one that way. Everybody wonders why I'm never in it because I want to see. Was on my way by daybreak, the wet road had unraveled. The cars and smog had been causing clogs and hours of people's power. The light that lit my way became the sun come beating down. The dawn, the light that made it day, though light was leaking out. I promised I would compromise. I stumbled to get up. My friends were all the witches, now their hands have tarnished cup. My prayers are weak from questioning. I'm trying to bridge some gap. The Bible's weathered leather, riding monkeys on my back. My prayers had all got wet when the rain was coming down. The clowns were dancing jigs and juggling chainsaws for the crowd. I slit the jester's throat with thread. I planned to stitch him up. The rafters filled with laughter. My cup was filling up. My limbs had all crawled back for me, so really from the rain. They passed about a pitcher of elixir for the pain. God grace to God's deliverance. I drowned the night's last round, then stumbled back to what before I thought I'd figured out. It's coming up at 3:43. The birds always. I hate the birds because they fuck you. They fuck with you. Birds are fucking with you.